Alright, 3-5-multiples. I made a great video and I explained it so thoroughly. And then I realized that my mic was off when I was doing the record. So I'll try it again. We'll see how that works. So 3-5-multiples. This was one of the assessments that I was given on one of my coding challenges for an employer. And when I first saw it, I got very excited. I was like, "Yo, it's FizzBuzz, just with a different name." So I started doing the same code that I would for FizzBuzz, just not finding FizzBuzz, you know. And then I was like, "This is wrong. Why is it wrong?" And I couldn't figure it out. And then I reread the actual challenge. So note to self: read the challenge thoroughly. So it says you have the function 3-5-multiples with the parameter of num. Return the sum of the multiples of 3 and 5 that are below num. So for example, if num is 10, the multiples of 3 and 5 that are below 10 are 3, 5, 6, and 9. So if you're having trouble grasping why it's 3, 5, 6, and 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 5 times 1 is 5. Can't go to 5 times 2 because we're doing below 10. And then when you add them up, you get 23. So the program should return 23, and the integer being passed will be between 1 and 100. So the first thing we have to do is we have to create a variable and call it sum, because it's going to give us the sum of everything. And we're going to put that as 0. Then we're going to do a for loop, and we're going to do I is equal to 0. Remember, in FizzBuzz, I is equal to 1. I is less than num. It wants to eat more. Remember, guys, this is eat more. This is eat less. So whichever one the mouth is open to is the greater one. And then what? Increment I. All right. Then we're going to do our if statement. So if I is a module of 3, so it's divisible by 3, or I, module of 5, is divisible by 5, we're going to sum plus equal to I. And then instead of returning num, we're going to return sum. We're going to run the code. We're going to run the test. Submit it. Submit solution. Yeah, be sure to check me out. I'm going to upload some videos as much as I can, whenever I feel like it, really. But I'll try to make it a normal thing. The more I feel like I do this, the better I get. So, efficient coding on YouTube. And here it is, 10 out of 10.